Hello all, welcome to Technician Tech YouTube channel. From today, we are introducing a new series of playlists named as Tech Originals. In this series, we are giving a complete experience of technology to every individual persons. So, let us start our episode. Did you know that a person averagely spending their 1 by 8th time by charging their mobile? So, in today's video, let's discuss about chargers, their properties, and what are the symbols on the chargers, and also the cables which are given to chargers like micro USB, Type C, etc. Let's discuss about their deeply. You can see this is a mobile charger. You can notice various symbols such as home symbol, and there is a symbol like 8. Yeah, I'll explain about that, and many symbols, and also there is registration parts, registration numbers, etc. Is they are useful to us, or what they are telling us about the charger? Let's check it out deeply and clearly. This is a second example of the mobile chargers, which is a Motorola charger I was previously used, but I am not using it because it's made in China, boycott China. And you can notice input calculations, output calculations. So, how to calculate output of the charger? Many of them know, but I'll speaking about basic level. So, I'll tell you how to calculate output, and there is a symbol here, R dash something. It is a registration number of the charger, and let's see how to calculate the output of the charger. Basic formula is power is equal to current into voltage. Let's see the output. We have current and voltage, so multiply the current and voltage. 5.2 into 2 amps is equal to 10.2 watts. Present on the charger like this. You can see this, say it like it is a ISI symbol of the India. So the charger is well tested and passed all the results. On the dustbin indicates that the charger should not be thrown in dustbin. It should be manually given to the company after the usage. Squares on the charger indicates that it is highly insulated. So circuit is very safe to use and charger is very safe to use. On the charger indicates that it is a home adapter, which is not used in traveling because of voltage drops. Symbol like this, it's not a V symbol, it's a Roman number 5. It defines about the efficiency of the charger, which is in European standards. As we are talking about mobile chargers and their users, let's see Type C versus micro USB, which is given to our chargers. Micro USB is like father of the Type C. You can see this, the generations of the USB ports. USB is a certified company which was started in 1996 to arrange a particular order of the USB ports. This is the closer look of the micro USB and Type C ports. You can see this, the difference is the Type C is reversible and micro USB is not reversible. As we are discussing about the micro USB versus Type C, the Type C is a future and micro USB will be disappear within, I think, 10 years. You can see this, the future of the Type C. It will be used to monitor, speakers, etc., headphones. Nowadays it's common. The final conclusion is the Type C is far better than the micro USB, which is a Type C is unlike the micro USB, so which is developed version of the USB ports, and Type C transfers a GB, I mean 500 GB per second speed data, and just micro USB delivers about 500 MB per second. You can see this is a Type A, which is an old generation. So the final conclusion is Type C is far better than the micro USB. The main difference is you can see this, it is a reversible type C, and micro USB is not reversible. We have to check out which side and we have to plug in the charge. And also type C delivers a fast and future communication. So I think this is enough, guys. Let's see in another video.